Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to 6 sin t. Because if I put this one go in here, you got about 36 sin t square. 36, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sin t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. So we need to do first derivative for the both sides. And you got about ds equal to 6 cosine t dt. So I will put this one go in here and here. This one we change by this one. This one we got 36 sin t square. Number 36, we can do about factorization. This one we got about cosine t square. The square root of 36 cosine t square, you got about number 6 cosine t. Now we need to simplify, and you got about 6 sin t. The integration of sin t, you got about negative cosine t, and we put about c. Now about t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 6. And now we can find the value of t, that is about r sine of s over 6. So we put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.